Hello, internet friends. You know what time it is? It is time to attach this seat rib assembly to the center fuselage skin. And I watched other people's videos, and I think I'm going to follow suit that in order to do this, I'm going to need to take this vertical. So, if you haven't watched my videos before, one of my favorite tools is my adjustable height table that you see in the background on the right there. In a minute, I'm going to grab the leftover carpet that I used on the table. There we go. Put it on there, and then basically put it at the right height to just move the assembly over, and then clamp it down on the table and make it vertical. And there we go. And about 20 clecos in, I realized, wait a second, don't I have like 3 boys? They should be able to help put clecos in. So yep, using child labor to cleco all of these clecos. Okay, but you know what small children aren't good for is probably riveting. My skin would probably look like a golf ball with all the dimples and pockets on it if I tried to get them to do that. So I think I'm going to get some help. Alright, let's see. Do I have any updates? Aircraft Spruce now says my cherry rivets are going to be in stock October 25th. I only need 4 of them. I might try to source them from somewhere else. I wonder if Vans has them. I should check into that. I did get an order from Spruce today though. I got the cherry rivet gauge, which is useful to double check that you're ordering the right length, and I did. When else did I get? I ordered a second deburring tool because I realized my kids are good at that. So might as well have 2 deburring tools, and 2 people can deburr at the same time. So anyway, in the next video we will be riveting the skin on. It will be interesting to watch. At least interesting to me. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.